Hey everybody, it's XM772X, coming to you Lazy Greatest. We're going to teach you how to fix that annoying sound you get with these Corsair water coolers. Now this ain't nothing about custom water coolers or setups like that, but this is for mostly budget coolers. This could happen with the latest and greatest ones or the lower models, but we're going to mainly talk about the one we see here today, which I picked up. I've had it before, and I just got another one again. Because I had bought it before and sold another build way back last year, and I picked it up again to put in my new build here. But it keeps everything cool. It's really good, especially at the budget. You can get it at Best Buy or Amazon. I went into Best Buy, told them the price on Amazon, and they price matched it, and I got it for like 104 tax, 104 total and tax. That was it. Not a bad deal, but it does keep everything cool. That is my Hisense 55 H7 B2 model. Pretty cool 4K TV. But you hear that annoying sound? I'll put it up to performance and it'll kick up. We're going to teach you how to fix that, so it's always quiet. But this cooler is beast. Does keep the temps down, especially good for overclockers, which I don't do, which I'm probably going to do later on. But I'm going to teach you how to fix that with this water cooler we have today. I'm going to shut everything down, and I will put my phone down real quick, and then I'm going to show you in there, inside, how to fix that problem. Keep it quiet. So I'm gonna put my phone down a little bit. Anytime you're gonna work on a PC, always press the power button with it off. That way you're putting the static pressure out. You don't want to hurt yourself. Here, I'll go over that in a minute with you when I open this up. Sorry about that. Yeah, always when you're gonna do working inside a desktop or whatever, always hit the power button so you get all that static and everything out. I'm just checking to see if it got any hot. It was not even at all hot. Didn't feel anything. Okay. Okay, so we're going to teach you how to fix that problem. And it's mostly with this pump that's on here. So take this out here. You see that it's the main pump you usually put in the system fan where you put most of your coolers. Take that off. Don't ever put it in that. Look for one around your motherboard. And put it on a fan. The system fan. No, don't put it on the actual system. That way it'll get rid of that noise. I'm gonna put the phone down real quick so I can fix this. Alright, so we put it in there on the system fan port and not on the actual system where you usually put your CPU coolers at. Always make sure it's down and tight. This is my Beast MSI graphics card, GDR5, 8 GB. Back up here. Okay. we're gonna plug it back, everything in. Wait for it to turn on. Sorry for the quality ain't that great because I am recording this on my phone. Also, when you get your new cooler and it doesn't recognize the software, just go to Actual Place, put the model of your cooler. Like I put H100i GTX in and just put drivers, and just go to the Corsair's website, look at the cooler, water cooler, and then go download the drivers from the site because it won't really show up. But that was a quick fix. Just go to the actual site. Just remember to get rid of that sound, that loud sound. If you can't handle it, just put the actual cooler to the system fan port, not the actual system. And that should get rid of your problem. I have my TV in vivid mode, so if it looks weird, it's because I am recording this on my Galaxy. But this is a Beast 4K TV. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the actual site. Oh, let's have it run already. I thought I had to go back to it. Okay, so just click on that. See what's on performance. That was making it real loud. I don't even hear nothing. Doesn't sound as loud or annoying like it was before. So if you want to get rid of that annoying sound, just put it, the actual cooler, the pump, the little cord to attach, put it to the system fan port, not the actual system, and you'll get rid of that loud, annoying sound. But it does keep my system and my temp pretty cool. And it does keep my R9 MSI GDR5 8GB card pretty cool. The 390X. But this is Exum 7.2X completely rid. It's just showing you that little trick, how to keep everything running not so loud, and it does keep everything cool. Y'all have a good one. This is Exum 7.2X. This is just a video on how to keep that loud, annoying sound. Keep it down, and just so you can game and all. It won't be annoying. A little trick fix I found out a while back. But you have a good one.